Hello and welcome to Sarah's Art channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do my second piece of Betta fish, and this fish would be red in color. Now I want the red to be sort of mysterious, so I'm not going to add white into it because I want the red to be darker. So let's see how this turns out to be. Now if you're new to my channel, please do me a big favor by subscribing to it and hit the notification button so that you always get new updates from me when I upload my new videos. Thank you all, and that's the best way you can do to support me and my videos and my artworks. Again, thank you all so much. Here I am touching the background. It's very important to touch so that there will be no air bubbles. If you want tiny cells in your art piece, then by all means you can forgo the torching, but it's good to torch. Right, so I'm applying colors bit by bit separately and laying them as flat as I can so that when I do a pull, the paints won't accumulate too much at the end of it. I would call this proper planning. I know a lot of people think that fluid art is just pour paints out, blow it, and that's it. You don't need to use your brain, but there's actually a lot more going on than just pouring paints and just blowing it out. Like you have to really plan well and to really understand your execution before executing it so that the outcome will be what you want or what you have intended it to be. Before you press forward this video, I think this video is very important for each artist to learn because I made a lot of mistakes in this video. I got really impatient and I layered my paints a bit too carelessly. For this fin, I didn't manage to, I think it's a bit too short. So how I extended it was to actually use the leftover paints on the chain to pull it again to extend it. I think this is pretty unique and it makes more characteristic to the fin. Now you see what I mean? The more paints you pour on it, then the less beautiful the pool is gonna be. So I did this many times. I can't seem to get this right. Now that's what happens when you get so impatient and you just want to keep making it better and better, but it's actually getting worse and worse. So I'm just gonna try this the last time and hopefully that this turns out well. If not, I'll have to do some modifications with it. So last round, last paint, and let's see how this turns out to be. Okay, this is much better. I like the strokes of the Chainpull, so yeah. I'm gonna continue on for the rest of the parts. All right, for the face and the body part. Dabble, dabble, and dabble. So that's how I take away the extra paints off the pore. Scoop it up gently and then create the shape of the fin. Lastly, I'm just going to do the eye and we are almost done. Okay, torch it. Last detail and voila. Oh, wow, just look at it. It looks pretty 3D, isn't it? No white added to it. Just look at the chain effects. It's just so gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this piece. Take care all. Please comment and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye.